Hi everyone, this is your Wednesday morning weather update, and today is the first full day of spring. And you're like, wait, Eric, didn't spring begin yesterday? Well, spring does arrive at a specific time. That's the vernal equinox, and that was at 11:06 our time last night. So, we had about 54 minutes of springtime yesterday. We get a full 24 hours of it today. So today's the first full day of spring. Not going to feel like it. You know what? In the New York City metro area, it's not going to be so bad. But, our neighbors off to the north and west, not so lucky. But we are going to see the wind picking up today in the city. It's chilly this morning, but that 54 will come with some pretty gusty winds this afternoon, gusting 25 to 30 miles per hour. So be ready for that. Be ready for some pretty gusty winds to really offset. And if you're not standing in the sun and you're getting the full brunt of that wind, it's going to feel chilly. And then with quickly falling temperatures, it's going to feel quite a bit colder very quickly later on this evening. A little heads up on that. What it feels like at 1 o'clock in the afternoon is going to be very different from what it feels like at 8 o'clock in the evening. So 48 today in Albany with some scattered rain and snow showers. I think we'll see mainly snow showers in Syracuse, north of Syracuse, more accumulating snow. And again, these are just what the thermometers will be reading. The actual feel-like temperature will probably be closer to 30 degrees because we do have some really strong gusty winds with a piece of energy that's going to be rotating in across northern New York State. And then it's really cold tonight. I mean, cold. And I didn't update these little icons here, but we will have some snow showers around for Syracuse, Rochester, and Buffalo, and low 20s for lows. Low 30s in New York City, probably near the freezing mark and below outside of the city. Out to our west, we're watching two pieces of energy. These are going to impact our weekend weather. There certainly was the potential for these two pieces of energy to come together. We call that phasing. But now it doesn't look like that's going to quite happen. It's sort of like missing, your connection flight by, 15 minutes. So it's close, but not quite. So it looks like as these come together, although the moisture sort of interacts with one another, we don't get this big storm like you would in the case of a phasing of two different pieces of energy. So rainy this weekend, but doesn't look like it's going to be any type of monster storm or anything like that. So we're even colder tomorrow in New York City following that cold front. We're climbing out of that as best as we can heading toward the weekend, but then we do have some rain on Saturday, a lingering shower on Sunday. The weather next week, I think, will be on the up and up, improving with each day and certainly feeling better than we've had this week so far, which has been more indicative of early March rather than late March. Anyway, that's your Wednesday morning forecast. I hope y'all have a great middle of the week. I'm going to see you here tomorrow.